How far would you go to truly move people, to create something better and go where others won't? For us, good enough is never good enough. We are always pushing forward, always rising above. Because at NFI Group, we move people, millions of them, around the world, every day, through advanced technology and mobility solutions. They're all on different journeys and have different destinations, but they all trust us to get there safely. Their lives are in our hands. That's why we won't settle. We choose to lead. We're proud of what we do, what we build, what we deliver. We've been pioneers from the beginning, and we'll never stop driving to improve ourselves and our products. The road is hard. It demands the best out of every one of us, and we're not afraid of what lies ahead. We've been leading the way for nearly 100 years, but it's not about how far we've come. It's about how far we're willing to go to move people.